Hello everybody, good morning. So this is kind of a weird way to restart the channel, but I thought I would because I made a purchase that I think is worthy of having videos and just stuff in general posted. So if you guys don't already know, I own now a Nissan 350Z. She's right here. Her name is Suki. I purchased her May 23rd. Today is June 24th, if I'm correct. Yeah, June 24th. So I've had her for over a month now, and I've been restoring her since then. Currently, let me go ahead and pop the hood and show you guys what's up. Alrighty, so as you can see, this car, even though it looks like it's pretty together, is actually nothing screwed in currently, all the way down to the intake manifold. I can literally take this off if I want to right now. There's no bolts into it. That has no bolts into it. Nothing has bolts in it right now. So pretty much, I broke this stud right here. There is actually another one on the other side, which you can see right there. And I broke this side stud. So I purchased studs and I accidentally ordered exhaust studs. And then actually yesterday I broke, there's 6 screws under this that hold the bottom intake together, and those also broke. And actually I started recording the process of fixing this car and then realized I haven't actually been showing anything. And since pretty much I've got to take this all apart again, I thought why not restart the video, start off fresh, as well as I have a GoPro right there. If you guys follow the channel, you guys know I purchased that GoPro back in 2016, I think. I said, why not use the GoPro with a head strap and get you guys some footage of this car, me working on it, etc. So today, I'm going to be recording myself taking everything apart again because I actually have to torque down the intake manifold again. I found the service manual to the car for the motor. I didn't have the right torque spec, I guess you could call it. So that's what we're going to be doing right now, is we're going to be putting the right torque spec on those, and I have to take everything apart again, so why not take you guys along for the ride. While editing this video, I realized that I never really actually spoke, so instead I'm putting music and I'm putting titles informing you guys of what I'm doing so that you guys can follow along if you guys are taking apart your engine with me. In the future, I'll be talking more and actually informing you guys of what I'm doing. Alrighty, and that is with everything now torqued down. So yeah, if you guys saw the platinum bolts, I'm actually missing 2 right now. I have them on order. They should be here soon to finish up that. And if you guys saw, I think I pointed out the missing stud. That's all the car needs. And then I actually, if you guys saw, I struggled for a little bit, so my hands are destroyed. The heater lines or the heater hoses were not connected to the heater box that's inside of the car. So I just connected them, and I'm hoping that it doesn't leak, because from what I've understood, it might leak. Because right now I didn't even notice that the heating was disconnected because I only tried the AC. Yeah, that's what we got done today. If you guys saw and I guess noticed, I did not put the strut bar on. I didn't put anything on fully. I just did everything I could to the best of my abilities. So next video is actually going to be, I'm going to be recording it today, but you guys probably aren't going to see it for another week or so. Is going to be a couple interior things that I've got to get done. That'll come out, I think, a week from now, because the interior video is going to be installing a USB dongle, as well as I'm going to get into the rear speakers because they don't currently work. And I want to see what I can do about that. But yeah, so that's the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching this quick little, I guess, introduction. Once again, her name is Suki. She's going to be the star of the channel. I guess I should probably say a couple things I've done to it. As of the most recent, I installed 1-inch spacers on the car itself. 25mm to be specific. Took out the wheels, exactly what I wanted actually. They're perfectly flush. But by doing this, I realized that the previous tire rotation, before I even owned the car, the shop did it incorrectly. So I have 235s on the right bank of the car, and I have 225s on the left bank of the car, when I'm supposed to have 225s in the front, 235s in the rear. So the fitment on the left side, the front is great, the back is too far in, and then on the other side, the back is great, the front is too far out. So hopefully those will get fixed soon. I'm gonna go ahead and get it aligned anyways. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the tire rotation done when I do the alignment. And yeah, this car should be set with perfect alignment as well as great fitment. Let me show you guys the left side fitment real quick. That's on point pretty much. So that's what it's gonna look like around the whole car. The left, or is it right rear, sorry, is also pretty much perfect. I mean, I don't think you get better than that. And if you guys see, there's a lot of camber. That's just how the car comes factory from what I'm aware of. But that'll get all solved at the alignment shop if it is not factory. So yeah, this is my baby. This is Suki. Hope you guys are excited to meet her and see a bunch of future content with her. So next video is going to be installing USB dongle thingy, rear speakers, and probably a bunch of other stuff that I forget right now, or yeah. It's hot. All right, well, you guys have a good one, and I'll see you guys next video.
She said I wanna live faster, faster. And it's getting on my last nerve, but I love a good girl with the bad curve. So I hit the brake, hit the gas, swerve.